Hey everybody and welcome back. For those of you that are interested in learning how to build some kind of a chat or poll website and you don't want to learn any kind of coding, we're going to do this together in today's video using ChatGPT. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the channel for new content. Alright, so I have my ChatGPT page pulled up. You'll see my prompt right here. This is not the best way to write this, but for just basically making it simple for today, I just said write me code for, and then I gave a very quick overview of what I'm looking for. Now, you don't need to know how to do any kind of coding. All you need to know is we have three parts. We have our HTML, our CSS, and when we scroll down a little bit more, our JavaScript. So we're going to start off with our HTML page. So we're going to click copy here, and we're going to open up a new Notepad document. And this is just going to paste in the HTML code. And then we're going to click Save As, and save it to the desktop as index.html. Now you may be wondering, does the naming matter and how do we know the name? It does matter, the extension does, and the name is right here in ChatGPT most times. Now we have style.css, so we're going to go ahead and copy this. We will paste it in here and go to Save As, and then we will call it style.css. Now that extension CSS, HTML, JS for JavaScript, those are all important. And the naming is important because the application is going to reference the different files. For example, script.js is referenced in the HTML file, which is why those names are important. Now we're going to grab this, and it's going to be script.js, which we just noted. So we'll paste this in, save as, and then we will call it script.js and save. Now we can go to our desktop and you'll see that we have our three files here. So we will just double click the index file, and this is our interactive quiz. Now you'll see it says what is the capital of France, so we could just click an option. You can click the right or wrong one, and you'll see it says 1 out of 1. So if we refresh the page and we choose a different option, you'll see 0 out of 1. Now, you may be wondering, okay, I don't know how to do code. What do I do from here? Well, you'll see that we actually have the quiz data here. We have the different options, and we have the answer. So if you wanted to, since the last thing that we copied was the script file, we can actually change this here to be 1, 2, we can make this 3, and then make this one 4. And then the correct answer is going to be 4. And we'll say, what is 2 plus 2? And then we're going to go ahead and click Save. We'll go back to our desktop, open up the index page, and we're going to put 3, submit, 0 out of 1. Now we're going to click 4, submit, 1 out of 1. So it is working as expected. Now, you may be wondering, okay, what do I do with this now? Well, these are the files that you would be hosting online. So if you work somewhere or if you know someone who's an IT person, they can host them online. It's very, very simple. I'll put a link in the description on how to host a website online. But the idea is you would sign up for any kind of a website, and you can literally, if this is the only content, drop this into the file sharing portion of the website. Again, following any and all applicable laws, rules, regulations, and guidelines, and then you'll have it hosted. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below, and I'll see you all in the next video.